Hello folks, this is Alan here, and I'm starting my gardening earlier this year. I haven't got my hummingbird feeder out, trying to draw them earlier. This is March the 31st, and I checked the weather for the next 45 days. The coldest it's going to get is 34 Fahrenheit, 1.1 Celsius, and that's in a couple of days from now. That's the coldest I see in the next 45 days. So I'm starting my garden early. And I haven't planted these yet. These are my watermelon that I grew last year. I saved the seeds. I'm waiting to get bigger before I plant them. These are my marigolds. French marigold. Corchester, I think it is. And this is my Cracker Jack mix marigold. You see not all the seeds popping up. Oh, I got another one right there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I got another one popping up there. And this is my yellow jalapeno. Only got one plant out of that. And before, I didn't see any daylilies. See, we got daylilies. I pulled the seeds off of them, saved them. I got a daylily popping up here too. That's awesome. These are my watermelons, still haven't popped up yet. But as long as I got these to work with, that's fine. And what I'm going to show you today is what I did last year. I saw it off of Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and it's the Amish way of growing your tomatoes. And this time I'm doing a little bit different than what I done last year. It worked last year too. So let's go and get the tomatoes. Last year, I put them down in a dark place in the basement. We had a deep freeze this last winter. This time, I put them in this plastic container here, where we keep our pool stuff. And we'll see what happens this time. See if it works this time. If not, next year, I'll just put them back down in the basement again. It'll be that simple. So I put them in these Walmart bags, shopping bags, keep them kind of dark. Plus it'll be dark in there too. And what I'm going to do here, I don't have the water hose hooked up on this side of the house. So I got a water container with me here. Okay, let me open these up here. Let me not spill it. Okay, this is my slicer tomatoes I saved. I just sliced the tomatoes up, set them on top of the dirt. That's all I did. And this one here, is my beefsteak tomato. Look like they're already starting to grow. I don't know. This is my beefsteak tomato. They grew last year, but didn't have a whole lot of fruit off of them. So that's going to be, that beefsteak going to be a second generation. And this is my grape tomatoes here. That's my grape tomatoes. And all you got to do is just keep it watered. We're supposed to have some rain tonight, tomorrow. All you have to do is just keep it watered. That's what I did last year. And we'll see what happens. I'll come out every so often, make sure it stays stamped. And show you something else here too. We went out yesterday, got some planting mix and potting soil. We filled these barrels here to the brim, all the way down here. Not for sure what I'm going to put in each one yet. I know it's going to be watermelon, tomatoes, bell peppers, and maybe yellow jalapeno peppers. Didn't get no green jalapeno pepper plant yet. So we have to look for them. So don't forget to, look at bee down there. Anyway, don't forget to stay tuned and see what happened with my tomato plants here. See if they actually grow again. Like I said, it was in the outside in that plastic container. We had sub-zero freezing weather too. So I'm trying it a different way now. This is one of the potting mix we got. Kellogg Organic Raised Bed Potting Mix. And we bought 2 different types. This is the other one too. Black Coal Raised Bed Planting Mix. Feeds up to 3 months, it says on that one. And I got to come out here later. I got to clear all these weeds out here. We were going to cut grass today. We had a little shower this morning. But I got to clean all these weeds out of here, like I did last year. So don't forget to stay tuned. See what happened with my tomatoes. And until next time, thanks for watching. Later.